Here it is, Saturday, the 2nd of November, and here we are. Let me show you. Andres has been taking things apart, and a few things are stuck, but we're unsticking them with our magic elixir. Just takes a little time. Say hello to Andres.
Hi there.
And hello from me. Just want to show you that it's not all just sweet and wonderful little things. We still have one piston stuck. There's your transmission. Haven't got it at yet. But all the bits and the pieces are coming. Let me show you. Well, we've been using all our magic pullers and everything else. And some of the parts that are done are here. And we're looking for bits and pieces too. You know, there's a few things that are kind of screwed up with it, but not much. And you can start seeing that everything's been pulled down, pulled apart. And we're going down to the last nut and bolt. There's the clutch. It's absolutely amazing. Look at the amount of pieces for that. It's absolutely fantastic. And this is your flywheel with the clutch mounting setup on it. There's everything here, the head, the blocks. It's coming along quite well. Now I'll just kind of run you outside to show you the magic tools. The glass beater. God, I love my glass beater. Anyhow, it just takes a few moments to turn something from a rusty piece of crapola into something that's quite nice, actually. But there's the machine in all its glory. And I just put another 50 pounds of bead in on top of God knows what. And these are all just bits and pieces. How much of that I don't know what we'll use, but we are using a bunch. Just to show you, this is where we're doing a lot of the dead work is out here in the back beside the garage. Oops, that almost was tragic. Anyway, just wanted to show you where we're at and what we're doing, and we'll see you soon.